There is a pattern that has occurred on the Bitcoin price action before and after every presidential inauguration. So in this video, let's look at what happened in 2017 before and after the inauguration, the bull market in 2017, and also in 2021, the bull market before and after the inauguration of Joe Biden, which is the outgoing president, and what is going to happen this very year, January 2025, before and after the inauguration of President Trump. All of this in this video. So if you like content like this, definitely watch this video all the way to the very end. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Let's start with 2021. What happened at this very point? This was 28th Wednesday 2021. That was when President Biden was inaugurated, and market come back down after the inauguration. Okay, and if you look at before the inauguration, markets have been coming back all the way to the downside. Look at it at this very point of resistance right here. This was January, okay, that was Saturday, and the market begin to come back down. We have retracement back up, market come back down again to the very day of inauguration. After that day, market begin to come back down to this very point of important support, and then market begin to move upward after inauguration. So before inauguration, market was coming back down. After inauguration, market come back down a little bit and then begin to move all the way to the upside. Now let's look at what the stochastic RSI indicator was talking about. At this very point, market was already coming back down before the inauguration, and then market continue coming back down, find support at this very point of oversold condition, and afterward come out of oversold condition and begin to move all the way to the upside. That was when we see this very aggressive move in the market. So after the inauguration, market moved from this very point of $29,000. Take note of these numbers, $29,000, and market moved upward, hit this very point of $57,000 retracement, and the market moved up again to this very point of $64,000 at this very point. Then we have a good retracement back to exact point that the market moved from after the inauguration at this very point. Then market begin to move up again significantly, create a new high to this very point of $68,000 that we see on Bitcoin in the last bull market. And then afterward, we see the bear market. Let's look at what happened in 2017 before and after the inauguration. In 2017, markets from this very point of important resistance, January, begin to come back down, meet support at this very area, and begin to move upward prior to the inauguration. Look at it right here. The inauguration took place on Friday, 28th, 2017. As at that time, the stochastic RSI indicator have already come out of oversold condition, moving upward, and markets consolidated a little while. Then market begin to pump all the way to the upside. After the inauguration, we see the market continuing moving upward. If you look at the case of 2021, you discover that market come back down even after the inauguration, and afterward market still move upward. In this very case in 2017, market move upward prior to the inauguration, consolidated a little while, and then move upward after the inauguration in 2017. What do you think is going to happen this very year? However, if you look at this very price chart, you look at after the inauguration, market move upward, but before the inauguration, at this very point of important support, market from this very point of $769, that's $769. Take note of this number, and the market begin to move upward, hit the first high at this very point of $1,200, and market begin to move aggressively, more than what we see in 2021. Aggressive pump all the way from $700 all the way to this very point right here on the price action. Markets hit this very all-time high of $19,000 in 2017 December. This is a crazy move that we've ever seen on the price action, and this very bull market was super bullish compared to what we see in 2021. what do you think is going to happen in 2025 as President Trump take office in less than 60 hours? If you look at this very point where the market is right now, because that is where I want you to take a look at right now, because this very area is a very important point where the market is, and I believe that the market is going to move upward. Look at it right here. In January, this very January, market from this very point have been moving all the way to the downside and meet this level of important support. In one of my video right at this very point, this happened every January. I talk about the fact that I believe market is not going to cross this very level of important support. Market just spiked out a little bit into the exact same point I was expecting right here at 88 and $89,000 and begin to move upward, and that was very, very exact. The reason why we are seeing this is because this very point is a critical level of support and market have to move upward. Now look at what has happened in 2021, President Biden, and in 2017, President Trump. Between President Biden and President Trump, who is a pro-crypto president? Of course, President Trump is more pro-crypto than Biden. And if you look at what has happened already before inauguration in 2017, market has moved upward a little bit, and then we see consolidation, okay? Before that aggressive super pump in the market. If you look at the case of Joe Biden, market has been dropping down a little bit in January, and then after the inauguration, market continued to drop, find support, and begin to move all the way to the upside. So what do you think is going to happen this very month after inauguration, entry into February 2025? I am expecting that this market move upward, okay? And then we should have a little bit of correction or a consolidation within this very area. And then that aggressive pump will come into the market. What that means is don't expect the market to crash into this very point of important support. I am not expecting that. It is a possibility. Yes, markets can crash all the way from here down to this very point. That is a possibility. But personally, and from what I have seen from history, market will not come back down into this very level. If you watch this very video very well, I talk about the possibility of if when market come into this very point of important support, you should take advantage of that opportunity, because you may not see the market come back into this very area again. And that is the exact same thing we're going to see in the market. The only way you prove that someone know how to do technical analysis is by checking past record. If you check records on this very channel, you can agree to that 70 to 80% of the time, the accuracy on this very channel have been very apt. And that is what we need to pay attention to right now. Pay attention to the market moving upward, okay? And I am expecting that after the inauguration, market can correct a little bit, okay? Not coming into this very point of support. And then after that very correction or consolidation, market is going to move aggressively in February, March, April, and May. This is very, very key. Market is going to move parabolically. Why? Number one, a lot of things has happened in crypto, owing to the fact that we now have spot Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum spot ETF, and not only that, a pro-crypto president have not taken over the White House, and we believe that he's going to make decision that is going to make crypto to move all the way upward. And also, this is what we need to pay attention to, especially if you're focusing on Bitcoin and you're using this as a parameter of your investing strategies into other altcoins that have a very low cap. This is very important thing we need to pay attention to right now as markets begin to have that aggressive pump to the upside. So conclusively on this very analysis, what I am expecting is for market to move a little bit upward, and then we see a little bit of retracement, okay, before that aggressive pump into the market. Or we're going to see the market move upward a little bit, and then we see consolidation and the market move upward again for an aggressive pump in the market. And what that also means is, in my personal opinion, don't expect the market to come back down into this very level of important support. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. And if you want to watch my video on the exact time that aggressive pump is going to come into the market, check this video out, help you. And if you want to watch the best crypto narrative in this variable market, check this video out. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel. Thanks for supporting this channel.